Welcome back, everybody. Today I've got a little surprise for you guys. I told you I was getting a couple more mods for the car. One of them has arrived and one has not. One is about a 2-month back order. Number one, like I said, is here. So you can see the boxes there, but no, they're not in there right now. So what do you guys think it is? Well, you're about to find out. Sorry guys, I didn't get any audio in this portion, but as you guys can see on the left there is the new style and the old style is on the right. So you guys can see the comparison as well as them lighting up. If you guys stay tuned here in a moment, I got a special surprise for you. There's going to be an MC20. First one I ever saw, and it looks so amazing. Here you guys can see it. I apologize about the way the video looks, but it had blue carbon on it. The paint, I'm not sure if it was painted or wrapped, but it had a blue pearlescent finish to the white. Really nice interior. I noticed it said Speed Effects, so great job to them. I don't know what body kit that is, but it was a super clean looking A90 Supra Mark V. I saw it the other day. I think it's a Rocket Bunny kit, but I could be wrong. If you guys know what kit it is, let me know. But yeah, here's more of the taillights. So yeah, just thought I'd show you guys. That's one of the updates, and then I did get something else for you guys a little bit later on, so you guys get to see those. They are about a 2-month back order, so comment down below which one you think are going to be the other mod I have coming. We might be able to get the car running here this year. Fingers crossed. I'm going to try some Cataclean to clean out the cats, see how that works, and if that doesn't work, then we're going to just go for new headers. So like I said, comment down below, and here you guys go. Here's some sound clips. Yeah, that thing sounds so nice. I thought I missed him. I'm like, how'd I miss him? He's got to sound really good. That kit looks so good on that car. I don't know if anyone knows what it is. I want to say it's either a Rocket Bunny or I don't think it would be a Liberty Walk. But no, that thing sounds so good and looks gorgeous too. There you guys go.